A well-furnished and properly cared for home will make you stay in the right mood, as the way you feel depends on your home. If your home is filled with so many useless items, looking at them all day long keeps you demotivated and distracted. It is therefore important that you set up your home in such a way that it has a positive effect on your mood. For starters, focus on how you can change the look of your home so it keeps your spirits high and you stay in the right mood all the time. Making these changes will help you achieve more in your life. For this you can use different types of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture project ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The look of wood furniture is not comparable to anything else. The natural look of wood is not replicable by any other material. Wood brings people and guests back to nature, giving the room an organic, down-to-earth feel. Despite the passage of time, the popularity of wooden furniture making has never changed. There are several benefits of using wood in furniture making. If you look around your home or office, you will find that there are several wooden furniture and wooden decorative pieces. Different types of wood for furniture, both hardwood and softwood, are available in the market. Each type comes with a different set of characteristics in terms of color, density, grain, and finishing. Picking the right wood for furniture is critical, as it helps you to determine the exact price of your unit. It will also be a deciding factor when you want to restore, resale, or discard a piece of furniture. Whether they are intricately carved or are just a plain panel of wood, the style of wooden furniture, however old, is here to stay. The beauty of wood can uplift the mood and ambience of the entire room. Wooden furniture offers elegance, charm and sophistication to any space, and that's why you can even make it as the focal point of your room. For outdoor wooden furniture, finishing is a necessity. Many stains will seal the wood and create a barrier from rain and other liquids. This can do wonders for the long-term durability of your outdoor wooden furniture. With a stain finish, the wood on outdoor furniture will have an effective barrier erected to protect it from pests and other outside factors that could end up doing the furniture harm. Each wood has its own characteristics, which makes pieces made to be different. Even if you cut same size pieces from a single tree, each piece has its own peculiarity in terms of grain pattern and look. Wood, when certified and responsibly sourced, is an excellent option of sustainability. Therefore, it is an ecologically sound way of furnishing a home. The only renewable building material around is wood that is responsibly sourced. Trees that are harvested for wood are replenished by new growth. Almost every part and area of your home will be the best suitable choice for the richness and warmth of wooden furniture. There are various ways to style your home with hardwood furniture, and you can make your shelves, table, countertops, mirrors, and cabinetry with wooden furniture to add more charm to your home. Whether it is lighter colored wood or rich darker hues, wood can add a certain charm and dignity to any room. There is boundless potential for design innovation to bring aesthetic allure to a furniture piece when crafted by a skilled artisan. Wooden furniture helps create a sense of the natural world indoors. You may wish to foster a sense of nature in your living space if you live in a high-density apartment block in a city. The perfect way to achieve this is through wood, with the fascinating patterns of fibers and grains and its wide-ranging color spectrum. Wood brings immediate warmth to an otherwise lifeless surrounding. The carbon footprint that results from the processing and the production of wood products is drastically lower than that of other building materials. Wood also has the capacity to store carbon, a thing that is crucial in the fight against climate change. Wood is also a sustainable option because it gives you the choice to buy local from the specialized artisans of your community. This gives you the opportunity to support the local economy as well as the local timber industry. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture project ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.